Hi guys, so we are discussing last time only verify command, which is about just verification value of variable, is it according to your expectation or not. But we have other verify commands which are using for other cases, like check for checkbox, editable, and element is present or not. For this type of verification, so we will use here a different verify commands. So we will discuss about all of these command in this video. Firstly, I will load a page and have firstly append some element we will choose here, and click on inspect after it's, and here maybe it's the best, so edit as HTML, and so we will append here input input type text, input type checkbox, so id is equal to sample 1, and second element is div content editable true, and id is equal to sample 2, and here we will give us some text like a good vibe. So here we will close this tag and click away from this element, and you can see that these are elements which are appear in this page. So we will choose here, you can see that it's a clickable and we can edit this element because due to its attribute of content editable. So I will show you why we require content editable and how it's used for verification. And let's start our script. So verify checked, and here we will give location of element. You can give XPath, but in this case I will give just a selector sample 1, and when you will run this command you will see it's a yellow color. It's indicate that it's not a checked because it's a warning issue, so it's meaning it's not checked. So after it's, we will click on it's for checked, and we will again run this line. You can see that it's now green, it means successfully run. So after it's, we will check verify editable. It's the same, but here we will check that when you will check this, it's a successfully run. In this case, if we give any other element, like I want to give this, but when I will run this, you can see that it's yellow, it's mean warning issue, and it's not verify that it's editable. It's mean it's not editable command. So we will move on and next. So next is a verify element not present. Actually it's a check inverse condition. I mean it's a check, if element is not present then it will green and its status will be pass. So like here, like our previous element which I have already selected, and when I will run this, then it will after specific time out, it will give a yellow color. It's mean warning issue, you can see that. And if we give any other, like here we will give just a random element which may be not present, and again run it, and it's a successfully run because it's a check inverse condition, that element is not present. It's used in some cases like uh, well, like when an element is not present, use this command. And next is verify present element. Actually it's a use just verification of presence of element, not a mean here not presence, actually mean presence. Presence mean it should be in a source code of this page. I mean it's present in this page. So if we run this selector, it's a previous, but it's a I know that it's in this page, so it will pass this verification, so I will use it, and I expect that it will green. Yeah, it's a green, so it's a present. This element is present in this page. So next is element not verify not checked. It's a same as a previous condition which is related to checked, but it's in this case it's an inverse condition. Like here, firstly we will give here id of our checkbox sample one, and we can we are understand that it's a check, but whenever we will run this, and it will I expect that it's a yellow due to due to first condition. So when I will run this, you can see that it's a yellowish color, and when I will uncheck this box, and I expect that now it will be a green because it's successfully verify this condition. And now it's next is verify not editable. It's the same as editable, but in a reverse condition. I mean, here we are checking that our element should be not editable. So here, like we will remain as previous locator and run this. We can see that it's a yellowish color. It's mean edit. It's not editable. It's not editable, but actually it's not for this. So we will use here select here, and we will run this. We can see that it's green. It's mean its status is successfully run. So we will check that here is also we have a editable element. We will check status for this element. Like here is a sample 2 in our case is editable. It should be yellow due to warning issue. You can see that it's a yellowish. It's mean it's editable, but we are checking that not editable. So next is verify text. Actually it's a used to verify a text of element. Actually those content which are present in present between two elements. Like we can see that here, for example, here we can see that here starting div and here is ending div, but this is a content of this element. So we are checking in this command a text of element. Like in this case, firstly we will choose here select a location of element. Like here I want to verify that I expect that it should be good, but I know that it's not according to our expectation, so it will be yellow. So it's a yellow, so it means it's not according to our expectation. You can also see in a log section that expected it's a good, but actually is high. And the next time we will give here high. It's just for confirmation, because we are know that it's according to our expectation. So yeah, we can see that it's now successfully run. It's I mean it's according to our expectation. And next is verify title. It's just verify title. Just verify that this title of this page is according to our expectation or not. And first I will give here, so it's a first parameter. Like I expect that its title must be high, but as we know it's not according to our expectation, because we can see that here it's actually is different than our expectation. So next time we will copy from here that we are now that title of this page. We can see here a tab name. So we will give here, and at this time it will successfully run because it's according to our expectation. So it's a use for verify title. And next is verify value. Actually it's a use for verify value. Like verify mostly value attribute is present in text area, and input tag and select tag. and in this case we can check value of this element by this command. First we will select our element that we are now that it's a text area of Google. Then we expect that its value must be high, as we can see that it's high, and we are now it should be agree with our condition, and you can see that it's green. But if we give here a wrong value like good, but good it's not our expectation, so it means it's a yellowish color. And next our it's is a not a command, but it's a scenario, and how we can deal like this verification. And it's a verification like if we can give here if statement, here is a if statement, and here we will check that our last command, we can see that here is the last command, it's an internal variable, so exclamatory marks last command. Okay, last command. Okay, and here we will give an end command, and at this time it's a block that will be run if the above line from this if statement is okay, then it will run, otherwise it's not run, because here we are checking that last command is okay. Actually it's a check previous line status of previous line, and here we will check, and like if command is okay, like if it's okay, and then click on if it is equal to high, and then click on, here we will click on this element, and if it's okay, then we will run it. We can see that it's properly run, and like here we will give a other expectation, because which is not according to this condition, like a good, it's not covering our condition, so we will again run it. You can see that it's a yellow, it's a green, it's mean, and now it's a white, it's mean not run this command. It's mean our condition is not agree with our expectation. So I wish that you have successfully understand this video, and if you have any confusion or any question about a verify command, and so comment below this video. I will try to respond to you soon as possible.